Delhi's positivity rate has dropped to 3.58%, lowest since April 1st, as the more contagious and dangerous wave of coronavirus infection continues to recede. The national capital on Saturday logged 2,216 new COVID cases, lowest since March 31. At 182, even the single day spike in death count saw a major dip. These are the lowest number after 31st March. Still need to take all precautions and follow COVID appropriate behavior, Delhi Health Minister Satyendra Jain said. Delhi's active caseload has come down to 31,308, lowest since April 10th. The recovery rate has surged to 96.16%. 6,453 people were discharged in a day, almost 3 times the cases reported during the period. A low pressure area formed over east central Bay of Bengal today, which is likely to intensify into a very severe cyclonic storm and move towards West Bengal, adjoining North Odisha and Bangladesh coast around May 26 morning, the regional Met Department said. The system is very likely to cross the coast of the two states and the neighboring country on May 26th evening, said Regional Meteorological Center Director G.K. Das. Wind speed is expected to reach 90 to 100 km per hour, gusting to 110 km per hour from May 26 forenoon along and off West Bengal, North Odisha and Bangladesh coast and increase thereafter till evening. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal this afternoon wrote to Prime Minister Narendra Modi and gave him 4 suggestions on boosting vaccine production, as he underlined the national capital has paused the rollout for the 18 to 44 age group due to a shortage of doses. To protect the country from a third COVID wave, it is important to speed up the vaccination drive, he said in an appeal to the centre earlier today. All the doses that we received from the government for 18 to 44 age group have been used. A few doses were left which will also be used by the evening. This is sad. We have written to the centre about this. As soon as we receive reply, we will reopen the centres, Delhi Chief Minister said during a video address. Congress leader Navjot Singh Sidhu, who has been critical of Punjab Chief Minister Amarinder Singh over the desecration issue, today challenged him to prove that he had met any leader of other party for switching sides. The Amritsar MLA also said he had never asked anyone for any post, but he was offered cabinet berths many times. In his latest tweet, Navjot Singh Sidhu also uploaded a photo in which he showed his picture with Congress President Sonia Gandhi, party leaders Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra. Navjot Singh Sidhu has been critical of Chief Minister Amarinder Singh after the Punjab and Haryana High Court last month quashed a probe into 2015 Kotkapura firing incident which had taken place during a protest against desecration of a religious text in Punjab's Faridkot. The Chhattisgarh government has now started handing out vaccine certificates bearing photos of Chief Minister Bhupesh Baghel instead of Prime Minister Narendra Modi for the 18+ age group. Those in the age group of 18 to 44 years are being given vaccine certificates with the photo of CM Bhupesh Baghel. Vaccine certificates across the country have so far carried a photo of PM Modi along with his message. The Chhattisgarh government has also launched its own vaccination website, which is called CG Tika, for vaccination of the age group of 18 to 44 years instead of the centre's CoWIN portal that is being used for vaccination across the country. Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus, we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel, HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying rupees 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our Super Supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.